Well, hello there. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. As you can see, I'm using my slow cooker today to make none other than crack chicken. This has got to be one of the most delicious chicken sandwiches. I guess that's why they call it crack chicken. I am so excited to share this recipe with you guys, and I will leave it for you in the description box below. So let me show you just how to make this, because it's that time to get cooking. So I have here 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now these had been frozen. I just let them thaw in a Ziploc bag in my refrigerator overnight. And now I'm just placing them in the bottom of my slow cooker. And you will need an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And I like to cut mine into cubes. And then I place the cubed cream cheese in the slow cooker with the chicken. And then you will need 1 package of ranch seasoning mix. Now this is the Aldi brand, but I think it tastes just as good as Hidden Valley. Just saying. Cover and cook on low for 6 to 7 hours, or you can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. And in the meantime, I'm going to cook 4 slices of bacon that I have chopped into small pieces. So my chicken is done, and I want to show you a great little tip to shred your chicken using an electric mixer. Just simply mix that chicken and it just shreds beautifully. Then you will need about 1 cup of the mild shredded cheddar cheese. Add that crispy crumbled bacon and then give it a good stir. And finally, add 2 chopped green onions. Oh, I cannot wait. Oh yeah. That is a delicious chicken sandwich. Full of flavor. So good. Cheesy, creamy. Oh. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I'll be seeing you soon with more delicious recipes.